In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create morph transition effect in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have used three juices here, the orange, mango and the watermelon. When I click, each juice will move and the other juice will come into the center. So let me just show you how it works. When I click, you can see here it comes the melon juice. You can add some detailed text at the bottom. And again, when I click, the mango juice comes in the center. So likewise, we can create very beautiful morph transition effects in PowerPoint. Please share, like and subscribe my channel, and the only channel on YouTube for PowerPoint where you can get 1000 plus free templates absolutely free. And I have provided the link on the video description section of each video, and you can support my channel through PayPal or Patreon. So let's start the tutorial. To make this morph transition, I'm going to use these three images which I have downloaded from the internet. As you can see here, I'm going to use the watermelon, the orange and the mango juice. So let's begin our design. First, go to the insert shapes. From the rectangle, choose the rectangle, draw the rectangle from the top to the bottom, exactly in the center. Shape outline, make it no outline, and then send this to back. And we are going to change the color to reflect the color of this particular juice. For that, right mouse click, select the rectangle, right mouse click, go to the format shape, and here I'm going to choose the gradient fill, because before I have used the gradient fill, that's the reason it is coming here. So I'm going to use only two stops. So select the first stop and choose the color, use the eyedropper. I'm going to choose this particular color, which is a light color, you can see here. And then at the bottom, I'm going to choose more darker. So use the eyedropper and click on this one. So you can see here we have got the light color and the dark color. Now similarly, I'm going to change the background color from white to any color of my choice. Again, make sure that the color should be of this watermelon only. So I'm going to use the eyedropper again, and maybe I'm going to choose this color. So you can see here it looks something like this. And make sure the other juice sizes, we have to make it small. Hold the shift key and make it small, and these also hold the shift key, make it small, because our focus is this particular juice. Again, if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size of this focus juice. And then go to the insert text box. I'm going to type example melon, or you can type it watermelon or whatever. So make sure that I'm going to use a font which should be more bold. So I'm going to use Arial black. Increase the size, you can see here, and align it center. If you like to add some word juice or whatever, you can just add it here, and below you can add some details about the juice. So here I'm just going to use some dummy text. I don't want this much large text. Again, font color should be white, center align. If you want to increase the font, you can increase it. If you want to change the font to some other font, you can just change it. So I'm just going to keep this font itself. Make sure it is properly aligned in the center, and the juice as well. Alright, so again, if you want to reduce further, let me just reduce further a little bit of these two juices. And if you like to add some other icons like what I have added here, you can see here I have added the icons. You can go to the insert icons and you can download those icons. So I'm not going to use this one, so let it be. So now I'm going to duplicate this slide. Right mouse click and say duplicate. Now my focus juice would be the next is the mango juice. All right, so I'm going to move this one here. This will come to the left now. Hold the shift key, reduce the size. Now the mango will be our center of attraction. I'm going to increase the size, put it here. Before that one, let me just change the name to mango, and put it here, and this one bring it here. Now the same logic applies. I'm going to select this one, go to the effects. So the first color, I can choose any light color of mango, maybe this color you can see here, and then the other color I'm going to use more darker. All right, and for this again I can choose using the eyedropper, again light color or dark color depending on the requirement. So it looks something like this, you can see here. So this is our mango juice. Then comes the third one. I'm going to duplicate this slide again. So now my focus juice would be the orange. So before that one, let me just move this side here. This one, hold the shift key, reduce the size, bring it to the left, select this juice, hold the shift key, increase the size, and before that one I'm just going to change the name of the juice and make sure it is properly aligned. Bring it here and bring this to down. All right, so you can see here this is our melon, the second one the mango, and the orange. So now orange, the same logic applies. I'm just going to change the color of this. So let me just choose using the eyedropper some light color, so light orange you can see here, and more darker, which is this one. And background also I'm going to choose again maybe this color. So you can see here, so our color also got changed. Now I'm going to select the second slide. Make sure that select this juice which is on the left, go to the shape format and send this to back, and the same thing here also, send this to back. Now select the second and third slide only, don't select the first one, select the second and third slide, go to the transitions and select the morph transition, and if you want to reduce the duration you can make it to 1 second, and that's it. So now if I play, so you can see here this is the melon. When I click, it goes there, it comes like this, you can see here. So a very simple trick, you can make very creative presentations.